everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Plymouth Duster. Wicked cool car. Actually bought this car down at a show in South Carolina, but the guy actually drove it from North Carolina. Very cool car, factory. As a matter of fact, it's a matching numbers 340 car. He said he bought this car a couple years ago, I guess, out of Michigan. So the car was originally from up here, and then he bought it and did his thing to it. Man, this thing is cool. Great guy, bought it from a real nice couple. He was not what I would expect when I looked at this car. Matter of fact, he got around with a cane. But you can see he's got it lowered down all the way around. It's got a tubular bolt-in K-member front suspension on it, four-wheel disc brakes, nasty little cammed up matching numbers 340. This is the original color combination, B5 blue, which has got the two-tone B7 blue vinyl interior. Good looking car. You can see he's got it lowered down all the way around. It's got a great look to it. Matter of fact, and that is all adjustable. If you decide you want to raise it up, you can. But he actually flattened out the headers on the, I think it's the driver's side, to make sure he had enough clearance when he was driving it. You can see he's updated the headlights. It's got the shark's tooth grille. Trim there. Fender mount, turn signals. New bumpers. It's got a front spoiler on it. Wicked fun car to drive, and it's fast. This thing will roll out. Slick paint. Of course, it's got those pop-out rear windows. Those are factory. Good, solid, straight body. Looks like it's got the original quarters, original pans, and everything on it. The guys missed some wax here. A little scratch in there, straight. Gotta hit that with a key. Yeah, nice and straight down the side. 18-inch torque thrust 2 Americans with ZR-rated rubber all the way around it. Good sounding dual exhaust. You can see it's got the chrome tips. They've definitely replaced all the bumpers on it. Good looking car, man. And fun car to drive, man. Touch up, Mark. I don't think he painted. I think he said the paint was all done when he bought it. It's right there in the bottom. I think that's actually a little stone peck too. But the mechanical stuff is what he did to it. Again, four-wheel disc brakes. So I can't tell you how old the paint actually is. Again, matching numbers 340. Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Edelbrock Performer, a little aluminum intake. Nice cam in it. Ceramic headers. Does have electronic ignition. It's got, again, a complete bolt-in tubular K-member, tubular upper and lower control arms with a rack and pinion steering. You can see it's got a Be-Cool aluminum radiator with a shroud. It's four-wheel, manual disc brakes. It's got a 4-speed in it now, but it was a factory D13 3-speed manual. He's converted to a 4-speed. Some stuff there. Good looking car, man. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'm trying to get it posted. Hopefully Mother Nature helps us here. It's chilly out, but we see the rain's going to hold off till this afternoon. So hopefully we'll get at least one more shot. Original door tags still in there. You can see they've replaced all the interior, new carpet, got new floor mats on the way. Matter of fact, they'll probably be here today. It's got the bucket seats, got the Hurst shifter. Not real fond of the way he did that steering wheel, but painted it all body color. But again, to each his own. That's what makes hot rodding hot rodding. Factory Rallye dash showing 62,781. That's supposed to be the right miles. Aftermarket Autometer tach and gauges. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Dash pad's nice. Again, dual exhaust, no on the parking brake. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. 8 3/4, 355 sure grip rear end. Jack with spares here in the trunk. Again, you can see it's got the original insulation still. It's all body color in here like it's supposed to be. Good looking car. Pretty original underneath. Oh shoot, hopefully I haven't messed this up. Nope, I think I got it. Pretty original underneath as far as the floors and stuff like that. I didn't see where they'd done anything. Looks like it's got an original code on there. Thank you. Door seams are clean. Again, Matt should be here today. With one hand, let's peek the camera back here. Seats are nice. They're all re-padded and re-foamed. Very nice. Dash looks good. I know the fuel gauge up there still works, but I think most everything's been converted down to here. It's got the dual body color mirrors. Figure out which key. It's got a bunch of keys that go with it. Nasty little key, and you can hear it. It's fast, guys. It's fun. You got a turn signal on right now. Oh, go ahead and turn them on. Yeah, we'll check that. Thought that worked. Was that working just a second ago? Oh, okay, we'll check. Jack works. Again, most everything. Fuel gauge does work. You can see down there. Everything else is down there. Fit on the doors is good. I think the backup lights and everything work on. Yeah, backup lights work. Sound. Radio works. You turn the blower motor on. Sounds like it's working. All your gauges are functional. Good old pressure. Then make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys.